Kung kailangan nyo ng skincare routine for the signs of aging, gaya ng mga fine lines or wrinkles, whether tito or tita na kayo na late 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, this skincare routine is for you. And the best part is, mabilis mo lang siya mabibili because available siya dito sa Watsons. Let's go! So, andito tayo ngayon sa Watsons GH Mall branch. And alam niyo naman, ang GH Mall, for me, parang home ito of the social Mary Grace Titas of Manila. Wow! And actually, because of that, na-realize ko na yung anti-aging skincare, usually medyo higher priced sila. So, feeling ko for this video, medyo tataas yung budget natin. But, I'm going to give you guys budget options and also premium options for those who want to splurge. Tapos, siguro kayo na bahala kung aling products yung gusto nyong gamitin. So, as with every routine, of course, start tayo with our cleanser. And one very important thing for aging skin, laging sinasabi ito ng mga dermatologists, when it comes to yung skin natin, kasi over time, medyo nagle-lessen yung amount of collagen na pinoproduce ng skin natin. Kaya yung skin natin medyo mas nagiging dry siya, parang minsan nagmumukha na siyang dull, or minsan parang bumababa siya. Nawawala yung parang pagka-elastic niya. So hindi na siya mukhang parang plump or bouncy. So aging skin, hindi naman lahat, pero a lot of aging skin, medyo mas prone talaga sila sa dryness, and yung skin barrier nila is a little bit more prone na ma-compromise. And because we want to protect yung skin barrier natin, we have to get a cleanser that is especially gentle. Okay, let's start with this one. Very, very accessible and easy na recommendation. It's from the brand Garnier. It's their Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel Wash. This is one of the products na masasabi kong bagay siya for a well-aging routine, especially since when it comes to the signs of aging, maraming gumagamit ng mga vitamin C na serum. And what a lot of people don't know is yung mga gel wash with vitamin C or other acids, they help prepare the skin to be able to receive vitamin C. So this one is a low pH cleanser and it also has gentle cleansing agents. Meron nga lang siyang fragrance, but if hindi naman sensitive yung skin mo, hindi din naman sobrang lakas ng fragrance nito. And wash off din naman siya, so hindi masyadong may expose yung skin mo sa fragrance. Now, kung medyo mas may budget ka pa, I have another recommendation for you na ito, marami talaga may gusto nito sa community. It's actually from a Japanese brand. This is the brand Hada Labo, and their hydrating face wash is a very underrated option. Ito, fragrance-free to na face wash, and it also uses a lot of gentle cleansing agents and hydrating ingredients, which again, perfect yun for the signs of aging. At the same time, very foamy din siya na face wash, which a lot of people really like. So, meron na tayong gel type na wash, meron din naman tayong creamy or parang foam type of face wash, but there are other people na mas gusto nila yung parang mild lang ala Cetaphil. Now, technically, if mahilig ka naman sa Cetaphil, pwede nyo namang gamitin yon, as in nandito na siya. So, may iba't ibang types of cleanser si Cetaphil, pero any type of Cetaphil cleanser really is just gentle enough for the skin. Ang problema lang natin is, minsan kasi masakit sa wallet yung Cetaphil, aminin natin. Pero kung marami ka namang budget, why not, diba? This is a really good option as well. But if you want a medyo low-cost na alternative, I would say, okay din itong kay Neutrogena, itong Liquid Neutrogena Pure Mild Facial Cleanser nila. So this one is around the same price range as sa mga products na to. Medyo mas mura siya actually, around mga 215 pesos. And of course, compared to Cetaphil, mas mura talaga siya, diba? So I would say ito yung tatlong products na pwede niyong pagpilian. If you plan to use a vitamin C serum, okay itong kay Garnier. If you like the feeling of a foam wash, okay itong kay Hada Labo. And also, if you just want a very gentle, as in mild, fragrance-free na wash na hindi sobrang mabula, and let's say medyo nagda-dry na yung skin mo, okay itong kay Liquid Neutrogena. So, ilagay muna natin to sa cart. Nandun yung cart. Okay, so ilagay na natin siya. Hindi natin to kukunin lahat pero ilalagay lang natin. Let's see what type of routine we can build. Alright, so now after mo ma-wash yung face mo, let's now move to one of the most important parts of a well-aging routine. These are your serums or other actives that you might want to put in your routine. But when it comes to well-aging or helping our skin age more gracefully, we of course have to look for the ingredient retinol. Retinol has been and still is one of the ingredients na sobrang dami talagang research and data na nagpo-prove na sobrang okay talaga siya when it comes to reducing and preventing the signs of aging. So whether late 20s ka pa lang or 30s, 40s, 50s ka na, meron ka nang gustong i-address, retinol is a really good ingredient to have in your skincare routine. Alright, so maghanap tayo ng retinol. Ang alam ko na available dito na retinol na very parang go-to recommendation ko siya has to be this one from the brand Lux Organics. Meron silang Retinol Radiance Overnight Botox Lift Serum. If I'm gonna be very honest with you, medyo hindi accurate yung overnight Botox lift because retinol takes months before you can see the results sa skin mo. If I'm gonna be honest with you, wala talagang makaka-replace doon sa Botox talaga na procedure, but it is what it is. Yan yung pangalan niya. But this has 0.2% of retinol, which is a good starting na percentage. Usually yung iba na mas sensitive sensitive, they start with 0.1%, but 0.2% is pretty good as well. And ang maganda pa rito is meron siyang niacinamide, which is a good supporting ingredient kay retinol. They both achieve the same thing sa skin natin, but they do it in different ways. So okay sila na partner. Plus, meron pa siyang hydrating ingredient na panthenol, which is basically vitamin B hydrating na ingredient sa skin. So ito yung serum na option, but if you want a cream type na option, mas mahilig kayo sa mga moisturizing na options, meron din silang cream type nito. And that's why I actually like itong line ni Lux Organics kasi may iba-iba siyang pwede mong pagpilian. You have a retinol serum, you have a retinol cream. If I'm not mistaken, may eye cream pa nga sila na retinol. But I did notice na there are some people na na-try na to and want to explore other options na meron sa Watsons. So, I think meron naman ang ni-release yung iba't ibang mga brands. Dito pa lang sa taas, meron ang bagong release, itong si Fresh Skin Lab, itong Retinol Advanced Wrinkle Repair na line nila. And what's also nice about this line is encapsulated yung retinol nila. So, meron lang siyang parang protective casing or protective shell para hindi siya agad-agad nag-absorb sa skin mo. Yun kasi usually nagko-cause ng irritation when you use retinol. So, dahil doon, medyo mas nape-prevent niya yung irritation na side effect that you might be able to get from retinol. But of course, syempre, kailangan pa rin talaga maingat ka sa paggamit ng retinol, di ba? So, yung favorite ko sa line nila is actually itong Daily Moisturizing Cream nila. I think it's because ito yung pinaka-flexible talaga. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa face mo, sa eye area mo, pwede mo rin siya gamitin sa neck area mo. And not only does this have 0.1% encapsulated retinol, but this also has squalane and ceramides, really good moisturizing ingredients, and also to nourish yung skin barrier natin. Dahil nga kapag medyo aging na yung skin natin, mas prone na tayo to dryness and yung skin barrier natin being compromised. Siguro masasabi ko lang na downside dito is pag medyo sensitive yung skin mo, may fragrance kasi siya. So, yun ang yung masasabi ko about this. Check nyo muna yung parang tolerance nyo ng fragrance, kung kaya naman ng skin nyo or medyo sensitive yung skin nyo to it. So, this is a really good option, but another alternative that we have, nandito pala siya, this is a brand na very trusted ng maraming mga tao because it's also from a dermatologist na trusted ng maraming mga tao. It's the brand Bello Essentials, and this is their Deep Repair Retinol Serum. So, relatively new release to ni Bello. Medyo in-update nila yung essentials na line nila. And itong retinol serum nila, I like it kasi 0.3% naman yung retinol niya. Now, that's actually still very beginner friendly, pero I would recommend this more for those na matagal nang gumagamit ng retinol, as in, yung mga retinol na 0.1% pa lang, or other na mababang percentage na retinol. If you want to upgrade because you want to see probably more results from your retinol, then you can upgrade to this one. Now, one thing you guys should know about retinol, di ba? It's one of the best ingredients na mahanap natin sa Watsons, pero actually, meron ako nakitang isa pang ingredient na feeling ko, mas okay siya compared to retinol, but only if you have the budget. Actually, lately ko lang to nakita. This is actually a skincare ingredient that I really find to be very underrated. And medyo konti pa lang yung options natin for this ingredient sa Pilipinas. And I think first tong brand na to na magkaroon ng ganitong ingredient in their serum. This is from the brand Revox, and they finally have a serum with retinal. So baka meron confused, ano bang difference ng retinol sa retinal? Now, medyo mahirap siya i-explain, but the simplest way I can explain it is, ang retinol kasi kapag pinahid mo siya sa skin mo, kailangan pa siya i-convert ng katawan mo 2 times. So kapag kinonvert siya ng katawan mo 2 times, doon mo lang makukuha yung benefits ng retinol. So yung retinol, kino-convert ng body natin to become retinaldehyde, and then kino-convert pa rin ng isa pang beses para maging retinoic acid. And then doon natin makukuha yung benefits ng retinol sa skin natin. Now yung retinol naman, this is actually short for the word retinaldehyde, meaning isang beses na lang siya kailangan i-convert ng katawan mo para maging retinoic acid, and so your skin can absorb it. Which means you might be able to get faster results from this ingredient. So let's move on to yung daytime routine naman natin. So when it comes to yung daytime routine natin, obviously one of the most important things talaga is our sunscreen. But before we use our sunscreen, I also want to share with you an active ingredient na nasa ibang mga serums that will help you boost the protection of your sunscreen. And very important talaga yung pag-boost ng sun protection natin as much as possible, because as we know, the sun is one of the major causes of aging. O, diba? Shout out Venus Raj. Major. Charot. But every time na-expose ka sa sun, especially kung walang protection, mas na-accelerate yung signs of aging natin. So mas likely ka to form wrinkles, fine lines, and actually, especially sa ating mga Southeast Asians na Filipinos, dark spots. As in, yung usual na mga brown spots na nakikita nyo dito sa part ng skin ninyo or sa part ng face ninyo, minsan dito pa sa ilong, that's actually what we call age spots or sunspots, and that's actually a result of cumulative sun exposure. And ang meaning nun is yung patuloy-tuloy kang na-expose sa sun, especially if wala kang protection. pigmentation. So if you want to prevent or you want to target that, I would say a very nice multitasking serum na favorite din ng mga iba for their well-aging routines is a vitamin C serum. Na maganda sa Watsons is medyo nag-upgrade na sila sa selection nila of vitamin C serums. So we can actually find a lot of different types of vitamin C serums from different brands. Itong aisle pa lang to alone, meron na akong 1. Ayan, meron na akong number 2, number 3. O, diba? Ang dami talaga. So we have these 3 options. Let's start with this one from the brand Dermaction Plus. Ang ganda ng packaging, diba? Parang gold talaga siya. This is the Dermaction Plus Potent Triple Vitamin C AOX Bright Booster. And this is what they call an intensive serum. But in my opinion, this is actually great for those na beginners pa lang sa vitamin C. The reason being, yung ginagamit nilang type of vitamin C here is a stable type of vitamin C. So specifically, yung gamit nila dito na vitamin C is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, and that's a very stable type of vitamin C. Siya yung vitamin C na kahit iwan mo siya for 3-6 months, hindi siya yung nag-yellow talaga. Which is why magandang option siya, especially for those na beginners or even for those na medyo sensitive yung skin or for those na hindi pa nila alam kung ano ba yung magiging reaction ng skin nila sa vitamin C. Because 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid tends to be a bit more gentle sa skin. Ang downside nga lang ng mga stable vitamin C is while they're more stable, since medyo mas bago silang technology, pinakamaraming research pa rin na effective sila are yung pure vitamin C serums. So it's up to you. Kung beginner ka lang though, I would recommend this. But we have other options here that have yung vitamin C na medyo mas pure. The first one is actually also a new product from Garnier. Itong bago nilang Bright Complete Overnight Booster Serum. And Garnier actually recommends na gamitin to sa gabi. But I disagree because a lot of brands na ganito din yung formulation nila, they prefer na gamitin siya in the morning. The reason being, pure vitamin C also has some of the best research and evidence na siya yung nagbo-boost nung effects ng sunscreen natin. So this has 10% of yung pure vitamin C, also known as L-ascorbic acid. Yun talaga yung parang pinaka-potent type of vitamin C, meaning siya yung pinaka-matapang talaga in terms of effects but also side effects. But 10% I would say is a good percentage to start. Usually 5 to 10% yung good percentage to start. But this one is on the higher end. Ito nga lang though, you might expect kapag medyo bago ka pa sa world ng vitamin C serums, when you apply this on the skin, may konting parang warm ka na mafe-feel. So that's just your skin reacting to vitamin C, especially for the first time. And ito din yung type of vitamin C serum na kapag iniwan mo siya ng matagal ng nakabukas or kunyari na-expose mo siya sa sunlight, these are actually one of the vitamin C serums na medyo mas prone na over time, over a few months, nagiging brown siya. And kapag naging brown kasi siya, hindi mo na siya pwedeng gamitin because irritating na siya sa skin. That also means yung vitamin C nag-oxidize na siya. So yun lang yung medyo con ng serum na to. Other people like to recommend yung isa pang vitamin C ni Garnier, but personally, I feel like it's not a vitamin C suited for aging skin because medyo alcohol-based yung vitamin C serum na yun. Ito namang third option natin is somewhere in the middle of these two kasi ang gamit niya dito actually is a stable vitamin C. Medyo mas gentle siya sa skin pero mataas yung percentage na ginamit niya rito. So this is the Lux Organics Clinical Pro Vita C20 Booster and ang gamit niya rito is 20% of vitamin C. But ang gamit niya is ascorbyl glucoside, which is one of the more gentle types ng vitamin C sa skin. Again, yung research niya on brightening and antioxidant effects is a bit less compared dito sa pure vitamin C. But again, if you're just a beginner, this might be a good place to start. And the nice thing about this is meron din siyang niacinamide. Actually, itong kay Dermaction, meron din siyang niacinamide. So, if you actually like niacinamide in your skincare routine and gusto mo makuha both yung benefits ng vitamin C and yung niacinamide, then you can choose one of these. But if medyo purist ka talaga sa vitamin C, then this is also a good option. So, now na meron na tayong vitamin C serum, it's now time to go to the most important part of our morning skincare routine for aging skin, and that of course is sunscreen. Now actually, one thing na notice ko sa inyo sa community, for those na medyo tita na and for those who want to target yung signs of aging nila, merong isang sunscreen na gustong-gusto nyo talaga. Okay, nandito pala siya, mahiwagang Quick FX Vita Sunscreen. Favorite na favorite nyo. Alam nyo, yung mga friends ko pa, as in sinasabi nila sa akin, alam mo, yung mom ko, binili niya yung sunscreen na to. So tuwa-tuwa ako talaga, as in, so many people like this sunscreen, especially moms. I don't know why. I think it's because also sulit din kasi yung sunscreen na to. This is for 200 ml, 499 pesos. Sulit na sulit nga naman talaga ang price per ml niya. So I think this could be a good option, especially since kailangan din talaga sa body naglalagay ka ng sunscreen, especially for the signs of aging. aging. Ang sabi nga sa akin ng mga dermatologists is, hindi na lang dapat yung face yung tinitingnan mo sa signs of aging, or hindi na lang dapat yung face yung inaalagaan mo sa signs of aging. Kasi hindi na dyan tumitingin yung mga tao. Usually, yung mga signs of aging na hindi natin napapansin pero nakikita sa atin ng ibang mga tao are yung neck natin and yung likod ng kamay natin. And those are the places na nakakalimutan din natin maglagay ng sunscreen talaga. So, maybe that's why, para malagay mo rin yung sunscreen mo dito sa neck and dito sa parts ng body mo na, may exposed din sa sun. So, let's make this an option for that. But for those na meron na kayong body sunscreen, I think another really underrated option is this one from Pond's. I was actually very impressed by this nung feature ko siya last year sa channel ko. It's their Hyaluron Sunscreen. Now, I was really impressed by this release kay Pond's because again, first nga niya talaga na-release to na hindi nila talaga binudburan ng fragrance yung product na to. This one is actually fragrance-free. And this one is also a sunscreen that blends very, very fast onto your skin. Mix siya of advanced and traditional UV filters giving you really good protection, and SPF 50 PA4+ pa siya. And actually, when you have aging skin, one of the things that you need to look at is yung PA rating ng product, because PA rating means how much it protects you from UVA rays. So yung UVA rays, gawin nyo na lang siya parang kodigo, UVA, A for aging. Yung UVA rays, yun yung nag-accelerate ng process ng aging sa skin natin. Versus yung UVB, which is, gamitin nyo lang again na kodigo, burning, yun yung nagkakos ng sunburn sa skin natin, which SPF protects us from. Now, to get proper sun protection, you need both types of protection, pero specifically for aging skin, kailangan talaga tutukan mo yung PA rating. Better if 4 pluses yung makita mo dito sa PA, which is why magandang option to. I think another good option kung medyo may budget ka would probably be this one. Itong, matagal ko na rin to na-recommend, yung 3-in-1 niacinamide cooling UV sunscreen ni Fresh Skin Lab under their Jeju Aloe Ice line. So this one, maganda rin yung mga UV filters niya. Again, it's more of a moisturizing na sunscreen. Though hindi naman siya mabigat sa face. But ang maganda rin kasi dito is this is just 349 pesos. So okay siya kung medyo nagbabudget ka. And I think yun na tayo sa sunscreen. We also have 3 options here depending on kung ano yung kaya ng budget mo. So I think pwede na tayo mag-move sa last step ng routine, which I think is also very important still. And it's a step na minsan nakakalimutan ng iba, pero it's very, very essential. And this step is your moisturizer. Meron akong isang naiisip na moisturizer agad because the ingredient na iniisip ko or tina-target ko talaga is the ingredient called ceramides. So ceramides are a skin repairing ingredient to help nourish your skin barrier. And ayun nga, kapag aging na kasi yung skin mo, your skin barrier medyo mas humihina na siya. So meron tayo ding mga magagandang options for ceramide moisturizers to bring back the ceramide sa skin mo talaga. Okay, so first one, obviously, from Lux Organics again, ilang entry na si Lux Organics sa video na to, but their Cica Rescue Gentle Brightening Derma Relief Moisturizer is a really good option, especially since this has all the 5 ceramides. So kompleto siya, plus meron pa tong niacinamide which also helps with barrier repair and barrier strengthening, plus meron pa siyang mga soothing ingredients like centella and propolis extract. And also, this is fragrance-free, so kung medyo sensitive yung skin niyo, this can still be a good option. Alright, so chinek yung ibang mga brands na baka meron silang mga ceramide moisturizers, pero parang feeling ko yung iba sa kanila na face out na. Yung kay Face Republic, tsaka yung kay Quick FX, meron silang mga ceramide products dati, pero wala na siya ngayon. So I think natitira na lang talaga si Lux Organics sa kanila. So I think this might be the best option already if you want ceramides in your moisturizer. And now na meron na tayong moisturizer, I think this is already the last step ng night routine natin. So mag-recap na tayo ng products, pagpilian natin kasi ang dami naman natin talagang gustong ilagay sa face natin. Pero pipili lang tayo ng iilan dito to build the best routine for well aging. So balik tayo sa mga cleansers natin. We had these 3 from Hada Labo, Garnier, and Neutrogena. And I think, ang masasabi kong probably pipiliin ko dito is the Liquid Neutrogena. Not only because siya ang pinaka-accessible price-wise at 215 pesos, but I also think na ito rin kasi talagang pinaka-mild and will be the best for a lot of different skin types. As in, whether yung aging skin ka na medyo may oiliness pa, or aging skin na medyo dry, or even sensitive skin types na aging, this one will be able to suit that. So ito yung pipiliin ko. So next, let's move on to yung daytime serum naman natin. And tatlo rin yung pinili natin. We we have one from Lux Organics, we have one from Garnier, and also from Dermaction. Ako personally, ang masasabi ko na best option sa kanilang dalawa, especially if you are a beginner, is itong kay Dermaction talaga. As in, ito kasi maganda siyang balance of niacinamide and 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. Parang all-in-one na siya. And maganda rin talaga yung technology na nilagay nila yung vitamin C nila. Nakikita mo, micro-encapsulated yung vitamin C niya. So, perfect na perfect para dun sa mga medyo sensitive na skin types. So, okay, I think may clear winner na tayo. Ito na tayo from Dermaction. So, ang theme muna natin ngayon is gold. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng itsura ng mga products natin. But anyway, ito na tayo so far. So, let's now move on to yung sunscreen naman natin sa daytime. And we also have 3 options here. So, I would personally choose between these two. Kung may budget kayo, go with the Vita sunscreen. But in my opinion, the most comfortable is itong kay Pond's. So, ako, ang pipiliin ko is itong kay Pond's. So, ito na ang daytime routine natin so far. Konti lang yung steps natin. So, you start with a cleanser in the morning and then you move on to a vitamin C serum under your sunscreen para ma-boost niya yung protection ng sunscreen. 1,063 na siya agad. O, di ba sabi ko talaga sa inyo kapag aging routine, medyo mataas talaga ang budget. But that's already our daytime routine. So, at this point, 2 products na lang yung kailangan mong idagdag sa routine mo, which are your retinol serum and your moisturizer. Now, clearly, yung budget option natin here is from Fresh Skin Lab. Itong bago nila na retinol moisturizer because unang-una, 2-in-1 na to na moisturizer and retinol. So parang 1 step na lang siya sa gabi, i-apply mo na lang siya, spread mo sa mukha din, pwede ka na matulog. But if you want to use your retinol and your moisturizer separately, meron din tayong option from Lux Organics. Ito na yung moisturizer natin with ceramides, the best option here. And also, well, kung may budget ka, I really would like to recommend itong retinol na serum. Pero medyo baka OA na sa budget, so pwede rin itry nyo muna yung Retinol Radiance ni Lux Organics. Especially kung bibili kayo online, at least isa na lang yung shipping fee. So I would say this might be a good option as well. Pero ako personally, kung papipiliin nyo ako, I really like itong product ni Fresh. Again, may fragrance nga lang siya, pero personally, hindi naman siya gaano kalakas sa akin. So I would personally choose this one sa nighttime. But again, if medyo sensitive yung skin mo, you could go with this duo from Lux Organics. But I think ito na tayo. Ito na yung magiging routine natin, just these 4 products. So if kunin yung routine na to, this is just a little under 1,500. It's 1,442. Probably kung Watson's member ka, baka makika-discount ka pa. So, nalagay ko lang to sa basket and punta na tayo sa cashier. And as usual, success! Ito na ang ating complete Watsons skincare routine with my top options for the signs of aging. Now again, what I love about this is mabibili mo lang to sa nearest Watsons mo, pero kung wala kang time para bumili ng mga skincare products in physical stores, of course, lahat ng mga products na to are also available online. So these are all my top picks and favorites, pero baka maging favorites nyo na rin siya because you might actually stand a chance to win this product because as usual, ipapag-giveaway natin siya. So again, more information on that, ilalagay ko na lang din sa description box. And also guys, let me know if you want more videos on the signs of aging or kung may iba pa kayong skincare concerns na gusto nyong pag-shoppingan ko sa Watsons. But for now, that's it. And also, if you want other videos on the signs of aging, gumawa na rin ako from before, ilalagay ko na lang sila dito. And as usual guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!